Hey, it's Bethany from SenseSpark, and today I'm going to show you how you can send out personalized videos at scale in Hubspot. So the key thing to keep in mind is that these work by using dynamic variables. So when you're creating the video pages, instead of just writing, hi Isaac, when you send someone a video, you can use a placeholder, and this is going to be a dynamic variable. You could write hi first name, and then when you send the video to your recipient using HubSpot, it's going to automatically pull in their first name. A couple things to note about this. We have 3 dynamic variables right now: first name, company name, and job title. And by default, we've added fallback variables. So if you are to send a video to someone and their first name is unknown, instead of just seeing like curly brackets, they would just see the word there. Or a different fallback variable that you set. You can change this easily. So you don't have to worry about, if you have bad data, they're still going to have a great experience. There's one other place that you can add fallback variables, and this is going to be in the SenseSpark thumbnail editor. So you can get here by clicking share video and then hovering over the thumbnail. This thumbnail is the first thing that your recipients see in email, so it's really worth it to add a first name variable here, because if someone gets a video email that has their name on it, it's going to go the extra mile to really compel them to watch. This works the same way. You can just write hi, click on personalize, and then add the variable you want. So this is all ready to send. And then to send the video in HubSpot, just go over to this personalized video section and click on copy snippet. From here, you can go into your HubSpot template library and click on new template. From here, I'm going to call this path, personalization at scale, outreach. And then all you have to do is just paste in the snippet right here. So you just copy it in SenseSpark, paste it here, click save. And now you can go to any contact in HubSpot and just select the template that you created. So here, template. I'm going to assert my face is covering this. I'll click in house outreach. Here we go. And it's loading. But you'll see here's the thumbnail. It says hi Bethany, which is great. That's my name. And then if you were to click here, we'll just go to the link that you would be sending, and we'll open it in a new tab to test it. And we can see, hi Bethany, here's how we can help. Well, that was the company name I used. So you can see the video dynamically changes for your recipients. One other thing is that now that we know who you're sending the video to, you're also going to be able to see who watched it in your SenseSpark video analytics. So you can go back to SenseSpark here, and then when you click on this analytics modal, you're going to be able to see Bethany from New York watched 100% of the video, which is very helpful. We're going to keep adding more features to help you personalize videos at scale. If there's anything you need, please let us know, and we're more than happy to help. Yeah, happy recording, and good luck.